How to make Moscow Mule. The Moscow Mule is a spectacular mixed drink that is also incredibly simple. There are no big secrets to making a great Moscow Mule. All you need are vodka, ginger beer, and lime juice. It doesn't require shaking or any special bar tools, so anyone can mix it up in minutes. Ingredients: A. 2 ounces vodka. B. Half an ounce freshly squeezed lime juice. C. 4 ounces ginger beer. D. Lime wedge for garnish. Steps to make it: 1. Gather the ingredients. 2. Pour the vodka and lime juice into a copper mug, stainless steel mug, or Collins glass filled with ice cubes. 3. Top off with the ginger beer and garnish with a lime wedge. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.